Hello everyone! Today is such an exciting day. My latest Hobonichi order from their February release has arrived. Be sure to watch till the end of the video for a nice surprise. Now let me show you what I've got. This is the first time I'm receiving one of these phone-shaped advertisement cards. I've never seen them before. Let's see what's inside. My order isn't extensive. I only selected items that caught my eye while browsing the store. Usually I receive one of their cute packaging boxes. This is the first time I've received a plain cardboard box. This one here is cover on cover. Let's take a look at what's inside here. Look at this beautiful fountain pen. It's supposed to have black ink inside. I'll check that later. I haven't had one of these plastic fountain pens before. This is Pentel's Pullaman and it looks so nice. It might be my new favorite pen. I also got a Pentel correction pen. I'm not sure, but I think it might be refillable. I'll check later. I also bought Unipin marking pen. It's a bit difficult to open the cap, probably because it's never been used. The last item in the pouch is this Coco Fusion sticky notes clip. I chose it because I can use the sticky notes to mark pages, and when I run out of them I can still use the clip as a bookmark. It's so beautiful, and the colors of the sticky notes are so cute. There is engraving on the back. It says Canmido. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it. Let's take a look at the covers. I've got another cover on cover here. This cover is called Bread Floating in the Wind, drawn by Keiko Shibata. Let's take a closer look. We have a large pocket and another one, what do we have here? Unexpected surprise? Illustration inside this small pocket. This wasn't shown on their website when I made the purchase. We have a leaflet here. Thank you for choosing the Hobonichi Techo as your paper companion. We have this cute drawing of a girl hugging a pink elephant and information about the illustrator on the back. And more pockets. I like the font they used. We have more large pockets here. The bookmarks have a really nice soft touch feel, and the colors are beautiful as well. Take a moment to look at these cats. Where do you think they're going? Remember this question, it's an important one. Now let's take a look at the other cover. This one is called Cherry Blossom Avenue. Let's take a closer look. The cover has the same pockets as the previous one, large and small pockets on the left. And the leaflet is also the same. Two large pockets on the side. And let's take a look what's hiding underneath this small pocket. There's something written in Japanese here. This color is absolutely stunning. It's more coral than pink, and on the inside is ochre. We also have two bookmarks. Such a beautiful cover. They both are. The cat's one is slightly bigger than the cherry blossoms, as you can see here. Now let me set these aside and show you another cover. That's Little Gifts by Yumi Kitagishi, and it's gorgeous. Let's take a closer look. Beautiful color. Look at all these cute illustrations. these puppies. On the inside, we have the same leaflet as in the other covers. And a cute cat illustration with information about the artist on the back. These pockets are so tiny. The illustrator's name. Let's see what's hiding behind this small pocket. Something written in Japanese. We have one large pocket on this side. And there's two more on the other side. This cover I bought for my A5 5-year notebook. I never really checked the sizes. And as you can see, it's too small for my 5-year notebook. I don't use anything else in size A5 as I don't have that much to write. So I've decided to give this cover away. If you could make use of this cover and would like to enter the giveaway, simply answer the question I asked earlier by writing your response in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That giveaway is open to everyone, and the shipping cost will be covered by me, so feel free to take part. That's all for today. Wishing all those entering the giveaway the best of luck, and I'll see you next time. Bye!